Hey there. Welcome to the first episode of HTML and CSS tutorial series. In this series, we are going to talk about what HTML and CSS is, and how we can use it to create complete websites. So let's begin. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML can be used to define and tell the browser what the structure of a website is. HTML is a language that describes the content of a website. You need a text editor and a web browser to write HTML code. Now, let us know a bit about CSS. CSS is used to style or design a web page and define how the web page should look like. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. Now that we've talked about what HTML and CSS is, I would like to show you an example of what HTML code actually looks like. So here, I have the basic format of an HTML document. HTML elements are represented by tags. HTML tags label pieces of content such as heading, paragraph, table and so on. Web browsers run HTML code and do not display the HTML tags, instead they use them to render the content of the page. So, in this example of the basic format of HTML, the first line which says doctype HTML, declares the document to be HTML5. The HTML tag on the second line is the root element of an HTML page and all your HTML code goes inside this. Now, there are two types of tags in HTML, namely container tags and empty tags. Container tags have an opening and a closing. For example, the HTML tag has an opening and a closing tag and the code goes inside of the opening and closing tags. While empty tags have just an opening. The third line has a head tag. The head tag contains meta information, which is specific information about the web page and is not shown to the user. The title tag is present in the head tag, which can be used to give a title to your web page. The body tag contains all the things visible on the web page. So, if you want anything to show up on your web page, write it in the body tag. So, this is the basic format of an HTML page. That's pretty much it for this video. In the next episode, we will create our first HTML project with a web page. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.